Hi everyone. Today, we're tackling a common question: how to connect your Eero mesh Wi-Fi system to your existing TP-Link router. Many of you want the seamless coverage and smart features of Eero, but you also want to keep your TP-Link router, perhaps because it's what your internet provider supplied, or you prefer some of its specific functionalities. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process, and we'll walk you through the best way to set it up to avoid common network issues. First, let's talk about the recommended method: connecting your Eero in bridge mode. This approach lets your TP-Link router handle the core network functions, like assigning IP addresses, DHCP, while your Eero system focuses solely on providing excellent Wi-Fi coverage as a mesh access point. This setup is great because it prevents a problem called double NAT, which can cause issues with online gaming, video calls, or accessing certain network services. To begin, ensure your TP-Link router is powered on and connected to your internet modem, working correctly. Next, unbox your main Eero unit and plug it into a power outlet. Wait for its indicator light to turn solid white, signifying it's ready. Now, take an Ethernet cable. Plug one end into any available LAN port on your TP-Link router. Then, plug the other end into one of the Ethernet ports on your Eero. Eero devices are smart; they'll automatically detect the connection. With the physical connection made, open the Eero app on your smartphone. If this is your first time setting up Eero, follow the in-app instructions to create your new Eero network. Once your Eero system is up and running and providing Wi-Fi, you need to enable bridge mode. Navigate to the Settings tab in the Eero app. Scroll down and tap on Network Settings. Then, select Advanced Settings. You'll see an option labeled DHCP and NAT. Change this setting to bridge mode. The Eero app might prompt your Eero system to restart, which is completely normal. After it reboots, your Eero is now operating in bridge mode, extending your TP-Link's network. You can then proceed to add any additional Eero units around your home using the app, and they will seamlessly integrate into your new mesh network. All your devices will connect to the Eero Wi-Fi, but the TP-Link router remains the central hub for your entire network. Now, there's another way, though generally less recommended, where your Eero acts as the main router, and your TP-Link effectively becomes a pass-through device or a simple switch. This is less ideal because it often creates double NAT. However, if you specifically want Eero to manage all your network's advanced features, like its parental controls or threat detection, and your TP-Link router has a built-in modem you still need, this setup might be considered. In this scenario, you would connect an Ethernet cable from the LAN port of your TP-Link router to the WAN/internet port, or any port, as Eero auto-detects, on your main Eero unit. Then, you would set up your Eero system as a new network, allowing it to act as the primary router. It will handle all the IP assignments. For this setup, it's highly recommended to log into your TP-Link router's administration page, usually by typing 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1 into a web browser, and disable its Wi-Fi radios, both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. This prevents your TP-Link from broadcasting its own Wi-Fi network, which could cause interference or confusion for your devices. Remember, if you experience any network issues like slow speeds, connection drops, or problems with specific applications, double NAT is often the culprit, and switching your Eero to bridge mode is usually the best solution. Finally, a few troubleshooting tips. If you encounter any problems, always try restarting your modem, then your TP-Link router, and finally your Eero system, waiting about a minute between each device. Ensure all your Ethernet cables are securely plugged in and undamaged. The Eero app is a powerful tool. Use it to check your network status, run diagnostics, and ensure all your Eero units are online and connected. That's how you connect your Eero to a TP-Link router, with bridge mode being the preferred and most stable option for most home users. We hope this guide was clear and helpful for getting your home network just right. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone who might need this information, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech guides and tips. Thank you for